Hi! Hi guys! So, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, hindi ako watching and checking it back again. And here I am. Mag-unbox tayo. Here we go. I have this streaming webcam with ring lights. So this one guys is good for the laptop or your monitor. I'm gonna show you later. Let's take me all of these packages inside. Inside out. Ano ba? So meron ako dito. Yes, this is what I use every day guys, and it's really nice. Maganda talaga siya sa mukha guys. So manicure. Yan ang gamit ko for a long years na. Kasi young ako. And then this part is this one. Ha ha ha. Dun, tararan. This package. So which one is first? Ito. Papakita ko sa iyo kung anong laman nito. And ayan siya guys. This is cream midi cube. So may scoop siya. Ayan. Ang cute, diba? And here comes. So midi cube collagen jelly cream. Ang ganda nito sa mukha, guys. Grabe as in. Matagal ko na itong ginamit. I think it's almost like 5 years now na ginamit ko yan. As in, maganda talaga siya sa face. Parang glass skin. You wanna see inside? Ito siya, guys. Ayan siya. Yee, look at that. It's really jelly. Ang ganda niya sa mukha, guys. So, yeah, you should try it. May link ako sa description box. Baka gusto niyo magbili nito. May maliit at may malaki na cream. Collagen jelly cream na options dun sa store na yan. Ilalagay ko. And then, we have this streaming webcam with ring lights. Ito is para sa laptop or desktop. Ayan tayo guys. So, meron siyang private cover sa camera guys. Here is the this one. I'll show you this one first. So, mayroon siyang tripod stand. Ayan. Pwede mong gamitin. At ito na yung camera natin. Ayan siya. Pwede nyo ring i-clip doon sa yan, clip. And the USB. So, I'm gonna show you how to do this. I-try natin. Okay. So, okay. Try natin sa ating laptop. Ayan. Ito siya. Ang ganda dito guys kasi mayroon siyang ring light dito. O, di ba? Install natin. Tingnan natin. Open natin yung ating Zoom. The reason why I'm buying this camera guys because my online business when we're always having a Zoom meeting. So, I like to use the camera instead of my laptop camera. So yeah. So ayan guys. So, naka-open na yung Zoom natin at install natin siya. Ito siya ang haba ng wire niya. So, you don't need to worry about the wire kung Nasaan na ba yun? Oh, I can use the other port here in the other side. So, after that, so, ang maganda dito, pwede mo siyang ilagay dito. You can put it down or pataas at pababa ng pababa. Ganun lang. Clip it. Something like that. There you go. Or, so pwede mo siyang ganun. At pwede mo din siyang pababa. Ayan. Now, install natin. Let's see. Try the webcam. And see. So, itong webcam ko dito sa Zoom. Pili tayo ng dito, USB camera. Here. Wow! Did you see that? Ang linis! Alright guys, I'll show you. Ang ganda nito. It's so nice. Ang ganda ng images. And the best part, so I'm gonna make it bigger. Oh. Ayan siya. Look at me here. It's so... Ayan siya guys. Ang ganda ng siya, super linaw. Super linaw ng camera. And then let's go check this light here. That is so cool. So there's like 3 different lights. Ayan. And then more. Ayan. And if you want a little bit dimmer, then dimmable. Soft light, medium lights, and that one. This is so nice, and I love it. I love the camera. Thumbs up for this streaming webcam with ring lights. I highly recommend it. Really nice. What else? Oh, I'm gonna show you also this. If you don't want it to hang it in your laptop, you can put it also in this tripod here, like this. And just put that around, and you can. Here you go. There. Oh, kita ko, di ba? Ayan. Kita mo ako. Look at that. I see myself here in the camera. And they also have this privacy camera cover. So all you have to do is that's sticky. So you peel that off. There's a sticker here that you need to peel it off so that it will stick to this here and the camera. So if you're not using your camera, your webcam, then you can close the. So right here, make sure it's lined up. There you go. It needs to be lined up. Here. There you go. Hello. Look at me here. You see? Super bright, right? So, ayan siya, guys. So, may cover tayo dito. So, let's see. So, tingnan mo ito. That's me. So, if I cover it, hanggang mag-cover siya. There you go. it's covering. So we have a privacy. So we don't need to worry about speaking, somebody speaking us, you know. So yep, I highly recommend this. So that's being said, tapos na tayo dito. And let's turn it off. And I'm gonna unplug it for safety. There you go. Our next is this portable monitor. You can use this to laptop or in your desktop. And I'm gonna open it. Let's open. I'm very excited. Wow. With, look at this. It's kind of like a pads. Look at this. And this. It's super thin. Wait a minute. I'm still gonna show you this one. So, mayroon silang new, and then they have this, what do you call that? Adapter for, power adapter, power cord. So, my power cord, and then this type C cord to connect this one to your computer or your monitor, another monitor. So here you go. Let's open the whole thing. So, and let's open it. Look at this. Wow. 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 Look at this. It is 15 inches, 15.6 inches monitor. And it's thin. Look how thin it is. And it's not plastic right here. It's kind of like a metal. And they also have this stand and the back. Yeah, look at this. It's kind of like this. What are you doing? There you go. Wow, I super love it. It's kind of like same size screen of my laptop. And so this one right here, right here. So this one here is for your headphone, and then the USB or the menu. So, and then this is the volume down and up, and this is power on and off. And the other side is the port here is type C, two type C port here, and then the power supply. All right, so let's install it. This one, the type C, to connect to my laptop. So let's see, where is that? Right here. So dito ko siya i-connect. Let's connect here. And then right there. And I'm gonna connect into my laptop. There you go. So, kailangan pala talaga siya nitong power cord. There you go. And then, connect the power into my computer too. The laptop. Here you go. Oops. Look at that! So what you can see, two monitors, then I can use it for my Zoom in the other side, and then I'm gonna do my trainings on the other side at the same time. So look at the images of this monitor, guys. It's so clear. Yeah, this is so nice and I highly recommend it. It's so cool. I love it. So baka gusto nyo bumili nito, the link is in my description box. Alright. So, thumbs up for this. So, yan lang po ang ating unboxing for today's video. Thank you for watching, and sa mga hindi pa nagkapag-subscribe ng aking channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the bell icon na din to get notified sa mga latest ko na mga videos. I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.